I don't receive a lot too. My people make I read am. Richard, you've received 40,000 naira income. Now wetin I go dey talk about for this video. Una know say we been dey talk about this where you need sabi read accounting story. I been tell una about assets. I been tell una about liability. Now we go dey talk about income. Wetin be income? Income. This na the money where they enter the company hand from the business where e be say the company dey do. Like if they sell the things where they sell, if they invest. Now from all these things where the company take they make money, expenses, another kind thing where you need to understand for the accounting story. So like if you understand the accounting story where this na the money where the company guys they pay to feed they run, to feed they survive, to feed they selling things where they sell. If the company selling good, you go carry expenses for in pockets. You go carry expenses for your pocket too if you pay workers, because you guys pay your workers salary. And so the company take they spend money and wetin expenses be. Now we talk about equity. This equity as una dey see am, una fit look am from two perspectives, two different angles, two different ways. The first one na if you look am as the capital wey be say the business you start. The second one be say if you look am as wetin remain after you don comot the liability from the assets. Now I go wan talk about the relationship or how they take join asset, equity, liability. How they take resemble each other, how they take, mingle, that kind of thing. Okay, now the basic relationship for this thing and this accounting equation. I will use this accounting equation take show that resemblance, how they take mingle. So make una pay attention. The accounting equation they talk say assets they equals to equity. Now just imagine say if a boss go mama Jennifer house go buy 50,000 naira thing, I don't make mistake. Make una no vex. If a boss take 50,000 naira chook inside in business account, that means assets don't increase by 50,000 naira. Equity, then the capital don't increase by 50,000. Now equity because say now boss they carry in money chook inside the business. Now so now they look this accounting equation too, assets they equals to equity. Now make una just imagine say as e be say a boss na fishing dey sell for him business, him go mama Jennifer shop buy fish for 30,000 naira. But this fish wey him buy, him no give mama Jennifer money. Now on credit him take buy am, wetin go happen to the accounting equation? One thing go join the asset side of the accounting equation, and that thing na inventory. They call am stock for accounting. You go join the 50,000 naira wey dey inside bank before, so the asset side go come dey 80,000 naira. 50,000 naira plus 30,000 naira na 80,000 naira be. You go come dey 80,000 naira. The other side of the accounting equation wey be liability, wey be equity, one thing go come join am, and then na liability. Then na that 30,000 naira wey a boss dey owe mama Jennifer. So una dey see am say the accounting equation go always dey equal. The asset go dey with the same with the equity and liability. So I hope say una don enjoy this video. This video been dey helpful. Make una go our Facebook page for the quiz. Give dey many for where una go fit win. Make una follow us on top Twitter at Studying Pidgin. Make una go our Facebook page Studying Pidgin for our quizzes. Make una try watch, subscribe to our video. Thank una well.